The trial of former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede has once again been postponed in the High Court in Durban. Some of the accused say they are not ready for trial. Gumede and 21 others are accused in the fraud and corruption case linked to a Durban solid waste management tender worth over 300 million rand. Senior reporter Dasen Thathiah sent us this update.
The public will have to wait just a little longer for the trial of former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede and others to get underway. It was expected to start on the 18th of July, but it turns out now that there are delays. Gumede and 21 co-accused are involved in a 320 million rand fraud case. I'm now joined by the NPA's Natasha Ramkusan-Kara. Natasha, thanks so much for joining me. Once again, a delay in this matter, and we're told that it's over a lack of funds from some of the accused. Why are we at this point if we've already seen a pre-trial conference in June?
I'm told that the issue of the funds was mentioned at the pre-trial conference. However, it's something that has lurked its head again. I can confidently say, though, that the state has been ready to proceed with the trial. We've been ready since February, and we have dealt with the various interlocutory applications that were brought by the various representatives for the for the accused. So once again, today we were told that some of the defense attorneys have not been placed in funds, and the matter then had to be postponed.
What does this mean in terms of these types of delays that we are seeing? I mean, I guess a layperson would ask, does it mean that if you are ready to go to a trial and you just constantly say that you don't have funds and you don't qualify for legal aid, does it mean that it's just constantly delayed thereafter?
I think the court will at some stage have to put these attorneys on terms. The prosecutor for the state was quite clear when she mentioned that the state could bring an application in terms of Section 342A for the delays in the beginning of this trial. So, and you've heard as well that the judge was quite clear, she was quite stern with the defense attorneys that she would like this matter to be resolved. For the state, it's just a delay because we were ready to start, and as the judge mentions as well, it prejudices the other accused in this matter because we all have to wait because everybody has to be in funds before the matter can start.
And lastly, Natasha, there was some contestation around the racketeering charges that were added, and with some of the defense saying that they don't particularly agree with that, but the state was insistent. What's the state's position on that?
As the prosecutor mentioned in court, if there's going to be any contestation to it, then applications will have to be brought in due course, and that can be dealt with.
Thank you very much for your time. That's Natasha Ramkusan-Kara from the NPA. This case will be back in court on the 27th of July, and that will be for yet another pre-trial conference. And hopefully some of these issues that have delayed the start of the trial will be ironed out then. I'm Dasen Thathiah at the Durban High Court.